Hey guys, so this happened yesterday when I was recording Miles Morales unboxing and installation process of my PlayStation 5 launch day video. And what happened is that I accidentally inserted the disc wrong way. I inserted the disc upside down. So I'm sharing this video so you guys are well prepared when you receive your PlayStation 5. Please do not insert the disc wrong way. Luckily, nothing bad happened in my case, but things could have gone seriously wrong. Here we go. And this is how you should not insert disc in your PlayStation 5. So at this point, I was really excited and I was waiting for installation to start. But my PlayStation started making weird noises. So it's making some sounds. Now I realized that something is wrong. And here you go. Here comes the message. It tells me that either your disk has some problems or you have inserted it the wrong way. And yeah, this is me taking it out. And at this point, I was kind of worried because I wasn't sure what's wrong. And then this is how you insert the PlayStation 5 disc. This is the correct way. Label side towards the black bar. And as soon as I popped in the disc, installation immediately started. It just took it a few seconds. I'm sharing this video so you guys are well prepared when you receive your PlayStation 5. Please do not insert the disc wrong way. Luckily, nothing bad happened in my case, but things could have gone worse. That's it for today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you again with more interesting videos. Goodbye.